Hello friends, let's make Matar paneer today. It's one of the very famous dishes of North India. Now for that, we will first fry the paneer. I've already cut up the paneer in small pieces. Put in a little oil and just fry your paneer. Not too much, but a little. Cut up your paneer as you want it. Don't make them very small, then they get mixed up. Now peas are in season now. Fresh peas are in season. So you make them now. They are really tasty. Fry them till you get a little color on them. If you fry them too much, then they become very rubbery. And I'll show you a trick to keep them nice and soft. I have a bowl of water here which is lukewarm. It's a little hot, so I'll add a little bit of cold water into it. Fry your paneer and remove them in this. See, it has just got a little color. We fry it till then. Now this is personal choice. If somebody likes the paneer raw, you can leave it raw. It's absolutely your personal choice. We all like it fried, so I just fry it a little. And you know, if you fry it, then the paneer retains its shape. That is also another factor. Yes, your paneer is done. So we just remove them into the water. Just be a little careful. That's because of the water. In the same pan, I will add some more oil and a little bit of ghee. This will give a very nice flavor. This again is personal choice. If you feel it is unhealthy, you can just avoid it. When your oil is hot, put in some jeera. Let it just sizzle a little. And this is one big onion, a little bit of ginger, about half an inch of ginger, and 7 to 8 pods of garlic, which I have ground in the mixie. Put in a little salt, mix up roughly. We need to fry this nicely. Now we can put our masalas into it. So the masalas we put is some haldi powder or turmeric powder, a little bit of chili powder, that is mirchi powder, a good amount of dhania powder or coriander powder, very little cumin powder or jeera powder. We need to fry this up nicely. And I will have to add in some more salt. That is for taste. Everybody has a different proportion of salt that they have. So it is according to your taste. The salt that you will add is according to your taste. At this stage, I am going to add my peas. If you are using frozen peas, then you can add it a little later. This is fresh peas, around 200 grams of peas that I am using. And we need to just fry it up a little. I'll add in a little bit of garam masala powder. Not much. I'm using Shahi garam masala powder. You can use the one to your taste. Let it fry up a little. Since they are fresh, this will also not take very long to cook actually. Let your flame be on high. You know, the peas will just get glazed. Around 4 to 5 minutes, you just keep frying it. Now, this is 3 medium-sized tomatoes that I have pureed, fresh puree. Add that. And you have to fry it again. Keep frying it till oil leaves. This has to come on oil. I require a little bit of salt. You have to fry it till the oil oozes out. Then you know your masala is fried well. Add in a pinch of sugar. This is optional, but it gives a good balance. Everybody does not like sugar, so you can avoid it. It's personal choice. But it definitely gives a good balance. Let the oil ooze out. Now you can see the oil oozing out on the side. So now I'm adding a little bit of hot water. I'm using the bowl where I kept the tomato puree so that everything is just used up. It's about 3/4 mark. I think I need a little more for the gravy, and this will depend on how much gravy you want. Some people like it thin, some like it a little thick, so it depends on that. At this point you can just taste for your salt. Now we will strain and add our paneer that we had soaked. In winter, we make this very often in our house. Everybody just loves it. Give it a nice stir. Now we are going to have this with rice, so I made it a little on the thin side. If you want to have it with roti or chapati, keep it a little thick. Let it boil a little. Now we will finish this with some coriander leaves, lots of coriander leaves. It gives the freshness to the gravy. Our Matar paneer is done. So we will just serve it out. It goes very well with jeera rice, with kulcha, naan. You can serve it with some kulcha on the side. So friends, I hope you liked it. Please do subscribe to our channel, Fall for Food. See you next time.